Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create two columns of text on Canva. So guys, what you have to do, all you have to do, it's just you have two type of this columns text to create two columns of text. You have a social media or Canva or presentation, for example this text, and or if you have, and docs. This is on docs, guys. This is if you want to do this two columns of text on social media post or presentation. All you have to do, click on the right click on the mouse and click duplicate option, this option as you can see, and scroll this one. As you can see here, you can make this duplicate columns of text, and you can customize this text as you can see here, and you can write this one as you can see here, guys. If you want to do this method on docs, what you have to do, just copy this text. For example, I want to copy this text and write. After copy this text, what you have to do, guys, click on the slash here and click on this option, columns, two columns, or click two here and write your text from here, guys. As you can see here, this is the text one, and copy this text, to this is two columns of text on one text. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give a like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question, guys, down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.